wouldn't come here. NuVu, I mean. Is it even a real school? Most of the day, we're building, testing, breaking, and rebuilding. Over and over and over. What kind of school is that if you're not being lectured to all day long? Textbooks? Nope, never seen one. We learn by doing. There's no set curriculum here. Instead, we're in ever-changing design studios. 1 month, we're designing a product. The next, we're making a film, building a robot, or creating a fashion piece. I mean, how can this be a school if I'm not learning the same exact thing that my parents did, and their parents, and their parents? Tests, never taken one. Never memorized a bunch of random facts just to forget them the next day. Instead, we need to come up with our own ideas. We need to experiment. Because here, you're not going to believe this, they accept failure. And not only that, it's part of the process? Most colleges ask for 8 to 10 portfolio pieces. I have over 40. Which projects am I going to choose? I mean, who else has that kind of problem? In other schools, you sit in a classroom all day, relaxing. Meanwhile, at NuVu, I need to be in the shop building something, or have to be out in the community working with real businesses. These design studios take hands-on learning a little too far. Imagine just sitting at a desk all day. Must be so inspiring.